Listen, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to step your potato game up, and I ain't talking French fries. I'm talking crispy chicken fried potatoes. Man, you gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have our potatoes. And guys, what I did was, you wanna cut your potatoes not into those thin chips, but maybe like 1/4 of an inch like this for this particular recipe. So you don't wanna cut them too thin. Also, we have our flour, some buttermilk, white pepper, smoked paprika, onion and garlic powder, some of that Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. If you don't have that Slap Your Mama, just use any type of Cajun seasoning. More smoked paprika, more garlic and onion powder in these dishes, some oregano, black pepper, baking powder, and we have more of that Slap Your Mama seasoning there. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna prepare our buttermilk mixture first. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Here are our Slap Your Mamas, our paprika and white pepper, our garlic and onion powder. I'm gonna liven this up with some smoked hot sauce right here. Just a couple of dashes. Well, maybe not a couple of dashes, y'all know how I do it. That's gonna step that flavor game up, and all we're gonna do is get that mixed in like that. Just like that. We're gonna move this aside, bring back our potatoes, and all we're gonna do is take that marinade that we just created, and we're gonna pour this over our potatoes just like this. Making sure we get them all submerged in this marinade as much as possible. If not, you know, you can just move it around throughout the marination process. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna sit these in the refrigerator. I'm gonna cover them up with some saran wrap. We're gonna sit them in the refrigerator, let them marinate for about at least 30 minutes, but you can do it up to about 2 hours, all right? So while our potatoes are marinating, we're just going to start preparing our flour mixture. And we're gonna add our smoked paprika here, our oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, our Slap Your Mama seasoning, some black pepper, and a little baking powder. And we're just gonna get this mixed in real good. And guys, adjust your seasoning as you see fit. So if you wanna add a little bit more salt, add a little bit more salt, or Cajun seasoning, whatever you're using. Wanna add a little bit more pepper, do so. And this is what we have. We're gonna sit this aside. And once our potatoes finish marinating, we're gonna come right back. All right, so we're about 3 hours in. So now we're gonna start battering our potatoes. So what I did first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about 3 tablespoons of our mixture, and we're gonna add it to our flour just like this. And we're gonna get this mixed in like this. And what we're looking for is we're looking for those these little flakes like this. I'll show you once I get it mixed up. So we're looking at have some little flakes on it like this. This is gonna make these babies extra crispy. That's what we want. We want these babies to be crispy. Every time we're dealing with anything potato-wise or we're frying it, we want them babies to be crispy. All right, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna remove our potatoes from our marinade, add them here to our flour. We're gonna press that flour onto that potato like that, just like that. And we're gonna sit this baby right here on this rack right here. I'm gonna do another one for you. And make sure you press down on that potato, because that's how you're gonna get it that extra crispy, flaky is what we're looking for. Take a look at that. You see how that? All right, we're gonna sit that there. Now I'm gonna finish this up, and once we finish it up, I'm gonna come right back. So all our potatoes are breaded. We're heading over to our stove. I got that grease heating up. We're gonna try to get it around 350 degrees. We're gonna start dropping them babies in there, all right? Let's get to the stove. All right, so we're about 350 degrees. We're gonna start dropping our potatoes in here. We're gonna cook these babies about 7 to 8 minutes until they're crispy and golden brown. All right, so we're at about 7 minutes in. We're gonna start pulling our potatoes out. Guys, take a look at that, man. Look how crisp that is. I'm gonna sit them here on this wired rack, and I'm gonna sit them in a warmer to let them warm while we finish preparing the other batch of potatoes. All right, take a look at that, man. All right. All right, so we're working on our last batch. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies out of here, put them here with the rest of our potatoes. All right, this is what we have. Let's move over to our cutting board. And there you have it, Cajun chicken fried potatoes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. Listen, let's bring these chicken fried potatoes to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man, y'all already know these babies are gonna be delicious. They're crispy. Hey, let me put this aside just right there. Let me grab me one, and I got me a little ranch. So let me just bite into this one just to see how it tastes before I get into that ranch. Definitely crispy. Oh man. Let's dip it in this ranch. Oh man. That's it. Man, that's real good. And the flavor is in that breading. Make sure you season your breading good, guys, all right? So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.